What is that? Giant palazzo and get in my mouth and find a lot of treasure. Oh, let's go there! Corn, no! That's a trap! Don't fall for it! I don't care! Oh no. Good. Yummy! Please! Oh Melon, come over here! No, I don't wanna see you eating. Okay. You'll get in my stomach and then I will keep you in. And you won't survive. And you won't survive. I'm getting out of here. He will call the soldiers. Hey, what are you doing here? What is your name? I'm from Ohio and my name is called the Ohio Monster. I see some dead corn. Ah! I'm not in. It's a signal. Okay, time to die. Oh wait. Good. Wow, killed himself. Huh? What is that? Whoa, wait, I feel something. I knocked my brain! Oh, what is sound? Oh, I can't see. What the streamer? What the what the Sigma? I wonder what's outside. I hate that dude. Ooh, ooh. Nuclear bombs dropping.